Hello everyone, this is Rakesh Kaplas and I welcome you all in my today's video. So I hope you all are fit and fine and enjoying the video. So we were doing the share capital and in our previous of the videos we have understood how to do the practical problem relating to issue of the share at par, at premium or the calls in area. Calls in area by opening calls in area account or without opening calls in area account. So when a shareholder unable to pay the amount of any call, it is called calls in area. But if in future he become ready to pay that company will get that amount of calls in area, but along with interest which is at the rate of 10% per annum. Next is calls in advance. If any of the applicant, any of the shareholder pay the next subsequent calls along with the present call. Suppose if any of the shareholder pay the first call along with allotment, second call along with first call, final call along with second call, means before decided date he paid in advance, it is called calls in advance. And the company really encourages this type of situation. Why and how? If any of the shareholder is making calls in advance, then the company give interest to that person, interest to that shareholder at the rate of 12% per annum. If any shareholder will pay the interest before that decided date, then the company will offer interest. Now we will discuss how to deal this type of situation. I am taking one example which will really comfortable for you people to understand this topic. Suppose a company has issued 10,000 shares at the rate of 10 each, payable as 3 rupees on application, 4 rupees on allotment and 3 rupees on first and final call. 3 rupees on application, 4 rupees on allotment and 3 rupees on first and final call. And this will be, you can assume that you can take this that time, this is issue of share at par, means our 10 rupee share is being offered to the public at 10 rupees. Now all the money was called by the company and all the calls were paid by the shareholder except Mr. X, जिसके पास 1000 शेयर थे, he paid the entire amount of the next subsequent call along with allotment. उसने first and final call का जो amount था वो उसने allotment पे दे दी. It is called calls in advance. Now how you will deal with this situation? So the very first entry, I need not to repeat that. Bank account debit to share application 10,000 into 3, 30,000. Share application account debit to share capital 10,000 into 3, 30 again. Now it's the turn of due of allotment, and when you will due the allotment, then 10,000 into 4. Share allotment account debit to share capital 40,000. But now when the allotment money will be received by the company, then this 3 into 1,000 share at the rate of 3 rupees per share, first and final call will be received by the company along with allotment. Now I am telling you the third entry, how to due the allotment. Share allotment account debit to share capital, being share allotment money due. But when company will receive, and the entry for that will be, normally what entry we used to do, bank account debit to share allotment. But now we are receiving, actually the amount due at the time of allotment is rupees 40,000, but the company will not receive 40,000, company will receive more than 40,000 because next subsequent call is being received along with this allotment. So now company will receive 43,000 because 3,000 of the next call will be received, and that is called calls in advance, and calls in advance is a gain for the company, and gain is always credited by the company. So now it will be 40,000 allotment and 3,000 calls in advance. I am repeating my words. Whenever you will receive any call in advance, that time it will be credited as in the case of allotment. Now when that call will become due and when call will be received, that time this amount which we have already received, that will be deducted. What happened? Now हम अब फर्स्ट एंड फाइनल कॉल को ड्यू करते हैं. 3 रुपीस की कॉल है, 10,000 पूरे शेयर्स हैं. शेयर फर्स्ट एंड फाइनल कॉल account debit to share capital, it is 30,000. But when the turn of receiving this call will be there, जब इसको रिसीव करने का टाइम आएगा, then this 3,000 will not be received at the time of first and final call, because these have been already paid by the person along with previous call, that was allotment. So now the what entry you will make, it should be you should be really careful doing this entry when that call is being received, whose amount has been already paid along with the previous call. So the entry for that will be bank account debit. Earlier you have credited the calls in advance, लेकिन जब वो call आ जाएगी, then you have to reverse that. Now bank account debit, calls in advance account debit to share first and final call. Bank, how much amount you will receive? 30,000 आपने ड्यू किया है, 3,000 you have already received. So now bank you will receive 27,000. 3,000 you will reverse. Earlier at the time of receiving the allotment you have credited, but when the receiving of the next call will become due received, then you will reverse that. Calls in advance account debit and to share first and final call, that is 30,000. एक बार फिर से देखिए, जब भी कभी किसी कॉल का एडवांस में पैसा आएगा, then you have to credit that. लेकिन जब वो कॉल रिसीव होगी जिसका पैसा आपने एडवांस में दे दिया, that you have to reverse that by debiting that. This is calls in advance. Now very small concept, that is last for the day, that is under subscription. Under subscription, and under subscription is that situation when the number of share company is offering to the public is not exactly subscribed by the public. Suppose a company is issuing 10,000 shares at the rate of 10 each, like 3, 4, 3. But the application received by the company are less than 10,000. Suppose 9,000 shares are being subscribed or purchased by the public. So it is very easy situation. Now the 1,000 share which is not being subscribed by the public, that will be added in the reserve capital of the company. और reserve में add हो जाएंगे. Now you have to do all the question with 9,000. Forget about what is 10,000. 9,000 into 3, 9,000 into 4, and 9,000 into 3. A very small concept of under subscription is there. So this is all about for the day. Thank you very much.